So it's very flush to the wall. It was very easy to install. I installed it all myself. For reference, this is a 55-inch TV. And you can see how close it is to the wall. I did tuck these pull strings that release the bottom part up with the command strip so you wouldn't see them hanging down, because before they were just hanging down. I'm not sure if I missed a step, but I did not read instructions. I was able to do it all by myself. Just make sure it's in the studs if you have a heavy TV.
Yes, this was a great purchase. Fits the 75-inch TV perfectly. And this is a heavy LG. It's very heavy, so it fits it. I know this TV is about a little over 200 pounds, but it fits it. It's been up about 2 weeks now. Haven't budged. Great. And it's on the drywall. It's great. TV holds quite well for this 99-inch TV. My husband put it up with ease, not a problem. Thank you.